Hey folks, Success Challenge 17 here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Now I want to take a quick review of PAIDERA. PAIDERA is indeed a highest rewarding paying site, survey sites that everybody can take advantage of and join and make more income for yourself on a daily basis without spending any money. It's very easy. You can sign in and just start making money with PAIDERA. There are all of the surveys you can undertake. There are surveys that you can undertake with PAIDERA. Pardon me, network is slow here. Network is really slow. Let me go back. Now, if you can advertise, you can see the proofs and the reviews. I will log into my account, then you see it. If you're a new member, you just click on create your account. I will leave the link and you can go check it out. It's free. You sign up and you start conducting and answering simple survey questions, answers, and you begin receiving rewards into your account. Let me log into my PAIDERA account. Now you can see I've already earned some $4.80, and there's a lot to do. Okay, so let me just show you something here. There are a whole lot you can do. You can perform tasks. Okay, very simple tasks. Very simple tasks, of course. You perform that you get paid. There's a Telegram channel. The systems, they are very transparent. You can join a Telegram channel so that you know of whatever that is going on, and you know you can get up to $3 per 1,000 clicks. That's for free of charge. Now, normally what I do here is just a service. Have you seen this? Very simple answers to. You see, you can add this survey and you can take 17 cents, this one 25 cents, 5 cents, 25 cents. Some of them you actually need to have a number of referrals, but don't worry, there are always those that you can do without the referrals. 20 cents, 25 cents, 25 cents, 9 cents. Can you see this? Very cheap and simple. You can easily do them fast and collect your money. And the payment is real. Okay, it's very easy here to do. So you check in the description of the video, grab the link, come join free. Other sites you have to waste your time. You do surveys and they pay you some 2 cents, 3 cents. Waste your time. Here, if you're really serious, you can earn up to over even $30 per day. It's free of charge. Okay, and then with the payments, it's very easy. They can pay you through PayPal. So let me just show you something. The payment proofs and reviews. Okay, these are payment proofs of members. This telling you that it's real. Can you see it? Members are getting paid every now and then. Paid. Okay, paid. Can you see it? This is real. It's working. So if you are somebody who is on a shoestring budget, you don't have money, but you want to make money online, this is an opportunity for you. It's very easy to do. Simple survey. You can answer them and then you earn money. If you also decide to refer, you're going to earn more for yourself. As I said, you have tax also that you can perform and earn for yourself. Several tax. Have you seen it? 50 cents, 8 cents. Simple tax. Okay. Check in the description of the video. Go check it out. So that's it. Very easy to do. PAIDERA is really rewarding and it is worth it. Thank you very much. If this video makes sense, consider subscribing to my channel. Please, if you have any question, leave it in the comment aspects and I'll be happy to reply to you. Thank you very much. I wish you luck. Bye.